Hello everyone, my name is Ronit Chaudhary and I'm working as an officer, training and development cell, Assam Downtown University. Uh, Today I'm going to talk something about personal introduction. Whenever we are going for an interview, what happens is that the first question which is waiting for us is tell me something about you and how to answer this question. Basically what happens is that the first question, tell me something about you. When we are sitting in an interview, what happens, we are confused and we don't know how to answer about this question, especially when say suppose if I'm a fresher. Actually, tell me something about you is a jam, it's a jam session. That means I have to inform about myself in just 1 minute. That means 60 seconds. But there is something called plus minus 5 in this just a minute session, which means I have to talk about myself in minimum 55 seconds and maximum I can talk about myself for 65 seconds. So what are the things I'm going to talk? I'm going to tell about myself in this 1 minute duration. So these are the pointers which I'll be talking about myself. The number one point is, greetings. How to greet the person. We have to take good care of the, time. That means clockwise we have to greet the person, like good morning, good afternoon, or good evening. And the next is name. When I'll be saying my name, it has to be loud and clear, and I do not have to use the salutation part when I'm giving the interview or introduction face to face. That means I don't have to say my name is Mr. or Miss XYZ. I only have to talk about my complete name. Next is location. When I'll be talking about my location, I only have to inform about my city name and state. If the interviewer is interested in me, I mean he will be asking me question more about my location, so I have to answer accordingly. Next, in terms of educational qualification, I'm pursuing my Masters of Business Administration course from Assam Downtown University, and I'm a final semester student. In terms of other qualification, I have completed my basic computer application course from XYZ Institute. In my next point is work experience. How will I say in this point? I'll be saying in terms of work experience, I am a fresher. And the next point is hobby. See, what happens is that if you have single hobby, say my hobby is. If you have multiple hobbies, then say my hobbies are. Never say my hobbies are like sleeping, hanging around with friends. Don't say this kind of casual hobbies. When you are sitting in an interview, you have to say professional hobbies. Like example, my hobby is traveling, reading books, like this. But again, if you do not have a very good command over your communication, never say my hobby is watching movie, because maybe the interviewer will ask you what is the last movie you have watched. Can you please narrate the story for me? That is again going to be very tough, because the more you speak in an interview, the more there are high chances you will commit errors. Then the next point is thank you. See, there are three ways to say thank you. Number one is, if you're very nervous, say directly thank you after you say your hobbies. And the next way is this is all about me, thank you so much. And the last way is, this is all about me, if you have any questions you can ask me, thank you so much. But I will suggest you to use the second way. Let me give you an example by giving an introduction. So suppose I'm pursuing my MBA degree from Assam Downtown University. How will I say? I will start from the greetings. Good evening, everyone. My name is Ronit Chaudhary, and I am from Guwahati, Assam. In terms of educational qualification, I'm pursuing my Masters of Business Administration course from Assam Downtown University, and I'm a final semester student. In terms of other qualification, I have completed my basic computer application course from XYZ Institute. In terms of work experience, I'm a fresher. However, I have completed my 3 months internship from XYZ organization. My hobbies are traveling and surfing internet. This is all about me. Thank you so much. See, there are 2 points I would like to add here. In terms of work experience, in this point, you can always add any internship you have completed. Next is never use technical terms, that is jargon. Example MBA, don't say. Say Masters of Business Administration, because the interviewer may not be aware of your technical terms. So this is about personal introduction part. Thank you so much. I hope this will be helpful for you. Thank you so much.